Today I'm going to show you how to create one of the most viral niches on the internet completely for free. This YouTube channel was created just 3 weeks ago, and it already has over 130,000 subscribers with only 14 videos. But the craziest part, over 110 million views in that short time. That is insane. And what are they posting? Just simple videos of animals wearing tiny action cameras, then getting released to explore the world. You literally see where they go, what they run into, and what they discover. It feels raw, it feels immersive, it feels like you're watching something you were never supposed to see. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create this style of content 100% free, no paid tools, no expensive software. And I'm also going to break down how to automate the viral fruits niche that's exploding on TikTok and show you how to create those videos using just one tool. Let's start with niche 1, Animal Action Cam POV. First, go to ChatGPT. I already prepared 2 prompts for you, and I put both of them in the description so you can just copy and paste. Paste the first prompt into ChatGPT. That prompt is designed to generate multiple high-curiosity video ideas in a first-person animal perspective. Don't overthink it, just paste it and let it generate the ideas. Once the ideas appear, choose one title that feels the most intense, mysterious, or risky. Don't choose the safest one. Pick the one that makes you feel curious immediately. After you choose the title, copy the second prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. Inside that second prompt, there is a section where you simply replace the placeholder with the title you selected. Just paste the chosen title into the space provided. That's it. You don't need to rewrite anything. Once you hit enter, it will generate structured cinematic scenes based on your chosen idea. Those scenes are already written specifically for AI image and video generation. The structure escalates naturally. Scene 1 hooks, the middle scenes build tension, and the final scene delivers a reveal or discovery. That structure is what protects your retention. Now let's move to production. For niche 1, I use Flow AI. The workflow is important. First, copy the image prompt for scene 1 and generate the image inside Flow AI. This image becomes your visual foundation, so make sure it looks cinematic and realistic before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the image, use the video feature inside Flow AI to turn that exact image into a moving clip using the same scene prompt. This keeps the framing and atmosphere consistent. You're not generating random footage, you're building each scene intentionally. Repeat this process, scene by scene. Generate the image first, then use the video feature to animate it. After all scenes are finished and you're satisfied, download every clip. Then open a free editing app like CapCut and stitch everything together. Arrange the clips in order, trim slow parts, add subtle cinematic transitions, and enhance immersion with light ambient sounds like wind, water, jungle noise, or distant city ambience depending on the setting. Don't over-edit. This niche works because it feels immersive and slightly raw. Export in vertical 9:16 format for shorts, and niche 1 is done. Now for niche 2, we're going to use Korpi AI. Inside Korpi AI, there are many viral niche templates that keep updating and adapting to current content trends. So you're not guessing what works, you're choosing from structures that are already optimized for engagement. The process is very simple. First, choose the viral template you want to create. For this example, as I mentioned earlier, we're making a drama fruit video. This niche works because it mixes absurd visuals with relatable emotional situations. Viewers see fruits talking, arguing, and struggling, but the conversations reflect real human drama like jealousy, ambition, friendship problems, or pressure. That contrast makes people curious at first, then emotionally invested as the story develops. After selecting the template, you can either paste your own script or use the built-in AI feature to automatically generate a viral script for you. Click on Generating Ideas to produce several concept options, then choose the one that fits your vision and click Use Selected Idea. When choosing, look for clear emotional tension. The stronger the conflict, the better the retention. After that, continue to scene generation. Choose the image generation model you prefer, then click Generate Scene. Wait a few moments and the results will appear. Review each scene carefully, especially facial expressions and framing, because in this niche, emotion is the main driver of engagement. If everything looks good, click Animate All and select the animation model you think fits best. There are many animation options available, so you can choose based on the tone, subtle for serious drama, more expressive for exaggerated conflict. Once selected, click Animate All to process the movement. Next, move to the audio section where you can choose background music from the built-in library or upload your own custom music. When everything is finalized, visuals, animation, and audio aligned, simply click Generate Video to produce your finished viral fruit video. It's that simple.
Babe, we're drowning in debt. No food, no hope. You're gorgeous. You could be making bank on only fruits.
Are you serious right now? Telling me to sell myself online? You my boyfriend?
It's this or we're out on the street, plain and simple.
Ring light check, camera check. If we're doing this, we're doing it all the way. Oh my God, look at this. You're blowing up.
We're rich!
One of my biggest fans wants to take me to Vegas. I told him yes. I don't think I want this anymore, Leo. You only saw me as a paycheck. You never really loved me.
Parent know it all. I've seen your work. You're something special, hoppin' gorgeous.
With a small investment, you unlock a wide range of powerful features inside Korpi AI, and of course, you can monetize the videos you create. Animal POV pulls viewers in with suspense and discovery. Drama Fruit keeps them engaged with emotion and conflict. The system is clear. The tools are ready. Now it's your turn to execute. If this helped you, leave a comment about what viral niche you want next, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.